Hi everybody. Many videos and many websites are talking about soap cover, and people need to know if it is a scam or legit. They claim, soap cover accelerates blood circulation rate in the scalp and revitalizes the pigment cells. It targets only gray hair and eliminates it in 3 washes. The cold-pressed soap with its unique formula gradually removes gray hair and grants you a natural and perfect look. Soap cover's formula includes strong antioxidants and key amino acids needed for the scalp and hair health. It contains 4 all-natural ingredients: devil's thorn extract, hydrolyzed keratin milk, elderberry extract, and vitamin D. Does the soap cover effectively do as their website try to say about its benefits for the hair? Wondering if it really works or if it is another rip-off scam? In case you're thinking of ordering the soap cover, do not do so yet. A lot of things don't add up about it. You can try it for $29, it's too good to be true. So, here are reasons why you should ask before buying soap cover product. There are more other hidden chemical ingredients found here. Is this product for black hair only, and why there isn't any patented information, and about this company, and where it was manufactured? While watching their video, they use a blonde man in first seconds, then they have another man with black hair. We noticed what was written here. Soap cover has not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. It is a supplement that is not meant to be used as a cure, medication, or remedy. So, this product is not FDA approved. And there is a company name here, Merkel Medical Corporation. After we made a search for it, their website will be coming soon. Look carefully here at their customer reviews. You can see many reviews here. Sure, that's good. But the not good thing is, after going to their Facebook page, we found some bad review here. And also you can find many bad reviews about this product in Amazon page. At last, there are many red flags, and these are reasons why you should ask before shopping from the soap cover. Share this video with everyone you know before they become a victim. Leave a comment if you have another notes to help others. Beware and thank you for watching.